Hi everyone. Apple has a very special place in my heart for several reasons. First of all, when I was young, I was very lucky. I got my very first computer. It was a TRS 80, a Tandy TRS 80. It was 1979. I would have been about 8 years old and couldn't afford an Apple. Didn't really know what they were. Looked through the magazine, you'd see these Apple IIes or whatever they were back then, and would long and sort of touch the rainbow colour of the Apple. So Apple had always been sort of an aspirant brand, a bit like a Ferrari for computer users. But the real reason it's been very important to me has been because when I launched the hedge fund in 2005, Apple was one of our holdings, and I have to say I felt very guilty because we were charging fees of 20% of profits of the money we were managing for clients and 2% of their assets under management, which is what hedge funds do, the classic 2 and 20. And Apple just kept going up and up and up and up, and we really didn't have much to do. I remember the fund manager Sumitra came to my home one day, and I was very lucky. I had a home which overlooked Parliament. I used to live at Parliament View. If you know it, overlooks the Houses of Parliament. Big, great windows. And we were looking out of the window. And we decided to work from my place that day for whatever reason. I thought I'd just come around. Maybe I wasn't feeling well. And he said, there's nothing to do. I said, what do you mean there's nothing to do? There must be something to do. He goes, no, it's going up. And he said to me, welcome to the hedge fund world. It was 2005. It was one of our sort of early months. And I said, well, what am I supposed to do? He goes, go raise more capital. And I discovered that 90% of my time is spent doing that, and it was because I had the right trade. I'm not saying that, I guess it's the old Warren Buffett thing. People like to work hard, but actually you don't often need to, and if you're lucky, you get Apple. Anyway, enough of that. What I actually want to show you is Apple today. And what have we got? Well, that's the 30-minute bars on pipspredator. And to be honest, yeah, I'm afraid it's not very difficult. That one went sideways, and this one back up again. It's long. Sometimes it isn't, and you feel guilty. As somebody once famously said, it is the hardest easy money you will ever make is trading. All you can do with the proceeds, as I've said on BBC interviews before, which is it is the most useless profession in the world because this is it. No wonder hedge fund managers are hated. Is do something good with it. Make sure, as we are, you're a UK asset management company paying tax in the UK and make donations to things, because that's stupid. What you can see there is presumably 21st, what is that, 11 plus 9, 20 days, 3 weeks worth of hard work. No, it's not me doing it, it's the employees at Apple doing it, and we just ride their coattails. Yes, it is looked down upon. My God, if you're socialist, it really is looked down upon. But anyway, that's what trading is at its simplest and easiest. It is what it is. Do something good with the proceeds.